Submitting documents to TikTok for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that TikTok requires for account approval. This may include identification, business licenses, or other relevant paperwork. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 2. Access your TikTok account. Log into your TikTok account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before you can submit any documents. Step 3. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, go to the settings or profile section of your account. Look for the support or help center option where you can find information on account approval and document submission. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the prompts to submit your documents. This may involve uploading files directly through the app or providing links to where your documents can be accessed. Make sure to double check that you are uploading the correct files. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, keep an eye on your email or TikTok notifications for confirmation. TikTok will review your submission and inform you of the approval status, which may take some time. Once you have completed these steps, you can relax and wait for TikTok to process your documents. Good luck with your account approval.